Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go on an adventure. I'm gonna take a really long drive and probably buy a 1974 Honda XR75. It's a beautiful morning and I got a lot of road ahead of me, so let's get going. So at 2 hours in, what comes on? XM 70s on 7 up in beautiful upstate New York. American Top 40 from 1974 with Casey Kasem. While I'm on the way to look at a 1974 Honda. Super cool. So at 160 miles into the trip, it's starting to snow, and I'm only halfway there. And what kind of nut drives so far for an old Honda mini bike? Well, somebody like me. I collect 1974s. This is a clean, unmolested example, hopefully. So for me, it's worth the drive. Wish me luck. So I'm about an hour away. I stopped to get some gas, a little bit of food, and I'm not sure anybody's gonna watch this crazy video, but this is what you go through to get the bike that you've been looking for a while. Almost there. And here's one other interesting observation for anybody who's going up the New York Thruway. I took this way, which is a little bit longer by maybe 10 or 15 miles than another way, because I figure, hey, this is a long drive. I'm gonna want to have some rest stops. Well, so far, most of the rest stops are being remodeled. So I'd say like every fourth one actually has any kind of a facility. So the best laid plans often fail. So after 300 plus miles in this snowy, crappy weather, what did we end up with in the back of the truck? Success. A very clean 74 XR75. So, I spent most of the day in my truck today. I drove many hundred miles to pick up this little beauty 1974 Honda XR75. Met the owner, very nice guy, also has a bunch of motorcycles, and I think this was a good deal for what it is. I got to decide now, am I going to just clean it up or am I going to restore it? But it's going to my 1974 Honda collection. And I had a good day. And this brings back a lot of memories. I had one of these when I was a kid. Actually, the first real quote-unquote motorcycle that my brother and I ever had was one of these. And this one's a decent survivor. So, at some point, I got to get the rest of the collection. I'm still missing a couple of bikes. If you've got a 1974 Honda mini bike, maybe an MR50 or an ATC 70, and you're somewhere in the tri-state area and you're looking to sell it and it's in decent condition, drop me a comment below. In any case, guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.